are offset. And when we come back into our master comp and give that a quick render, you'll see that there's some follow through there. So that's almost it for the animation. Just one more thing, we'll go back to worm cycle, and with continue clicking the position with your control held down to get all of these keyframes, so that we've got every keyframe selected. And what we want to do is right click on one of the keyframes, come down to keyframe assistant, easy ease, or F9 is the hotkey, and that just gives a little bit of smooth motion and for a snail, for a worm, that's probably what we want. Now we're going to do the same for the worm mover, so select those and animation, keyframe assistant, easy ease, or F9. Okay, so that's our worm animated across the stage. Looks pretty funny there in high speed, but that's all the movement that we're going to need. Okay, so let's create a little bit of a stage for this guy, to a little bit of a set. So click Layer, New, Solid. We're going to name this Floor, and comp size is fine for now. And we're going to give it a sort of a dirty colour in here, sort of a mid-tone with a yellow hint. Click OK. And the other thing we're going to do is turn our, and we'll drag that floor to the bottom. We're going to turn our worm and our worm cycle layers into 3D layers, and we're also going to turn our floor into a 3D layer. We're going to take the floor, use our rotation tool, and we're going to rotate it 90 degrees, and if you hold the shift button while you rotate it'll lock to 90 degrees. And what we're going to do, if we come halfway through the animation, you'll see that we can line the floor up with the worm. That's about it there, and we'll scale it and scale it in width to about there, and that's going to work fine. So there's our